Alright, so Akshara, welcome to the class. What's your dad's name? Arul? Okay, wonderful. Yeah, I talked to daddy and and that's how we are talking right now. So I have one more child in the class, her name is Diksha. So this is the first class, okay? So I'm not going to get you guys stressed out, okay? Today is going to be our first class, a demo class, whatever you call it, okay? Do you have a pen and paper with you, Akshara? Do you have a pen and paper with you?
Yeah.
Okay. So when I'm teaching in the class, there are certain things to follow, okay? So when I'm teaching in the class, I don't want you to take any notes. You don't have to take notes of, okay, this is what we covered. Because whatever we do in the class, I'm recording myself, okay? I'm getting recorded and the board is getting recorded, not you guys. So I record it and I create a video of that. And do you guys watch YouTube a little bit sometimes?
Yeah.
So I put the video on YouTube, only for you guys, okay? Not for everybody, okay? It's only for my kids. You guys are like my kids, okay? So I create a video of the class and upload it there so that you can revise it later also. So when you are in the class, you have to put your full focus on understanding what we are trying to learn, okay? If something is not clear, ask me questions. Don't be afraid of me. Do I look scary by any chance? A little bit? Do I look scary a little bit?
No.
No? That's good. So you don't have to be scared of me at all, okay? Ask questions whenever you have doubt. Don't even worry about asking questions or don't even think, oh, is it a good question or a bad question, okay? Anything that you're trying to do to learn is a good question. Alright? So you are in 4th grade, Diksha is in 3rd grade. This class is for kids from 3rd to 5th grade. What it means, in next 1 year, you will learn all the concepts for 3rd, 4th and 5th grade. So Akshara, by the time we complete 1 year, you will know what you're going to learn in 5th grade as well. When we complete first 1 year, you will know everything that you need to know for 3rd grade, 4th grade and also 5th grade. So you guys will be ahead of your grade, provided I do a good job. If I do a bad job as a teacher, what to do then? Yeah? Okay. So, now in the first class, I will try to tell you guys certain things that you will have to start getting used to. Now, do you know tables? You know table till 21? Oh my God. How about you, Akshara? Do you know tables? Multiplication. Do you know multiplication tables?
I know.
Till
I know. Rules 1 to 12.
1 to 12? Wonderful. That's very good to know. So what we will do in the class for the first day is, let's check who knows how much of tables. And you guys can also check whether your teacher knows tables or not. Okay? So Akshara, you said table till 12. Can I ask some questions? 8 5 ja. When I say 8 5 ja, I'm saying 8 times 5. How much is 8 times 5?
5 times 5.
8 times 5.
2 times 5.
8. 8 times 5.
40.
9 times 6.
54.
12 times 9.
108.
Very nice. 7 times 6.
7 times 6. 42.
9 times 9.
9 times 5.
9.
81.
7 times 9.
63.
8 times 7.
56.
12 times 6.
72.
11 times 9.
99.
Very nice. Very well done. So, there is a noise coming from this guy. Okay. So, Akshara, this is your first class. And when I check tables in the first class, I go with the assumption that you might have learned tables, you may not have learned tables. And then what I said, the kid says, spend 5 minutes every day to memorize tables. because tables are your building block for math. Okay, if you know tables very well, math becomes fun. Okay, but you are already knowing tables very well. Okay, that's very good to know. Now let's see what Deeksha knows. Table till 21.
Yes, sir.
8 times 9.
8 times 9, 72.
13 times 5.
13 times 5, 13 times 5, 65.
14 times 9.
14 times 9, 14 times 9, 100, 100, 14 times 9, 126.
13 times 6.
13 times 6 is, 13 times 6 is 80, 82.
78.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. 12 times 7.
12 times 7 is, 12 times 7 is 84.
4 times 9.
4 times 9 is, 4 times 9 is 36.
36. 13 times 7.
13 times 7 is, 13 times 7 is 91.
91. So you guys are making me very happy. Okay. So now, since you guys know the tables, that's very good to know. That gives me a lot of confidence. Okay. So let's make sure that whatever you know, that's very good to know. Keep, whenever during the day, whenever you get 5 minutes of time when you are getting bored, you have nothing, you are thinking what to do. Use that 5 minutes for revising tables. Keep revising it, okay? Saying, okay, let me see if I know table of 14. 14 1 is 14, 14 2 is 28, 14 3 is 42, 14 4 is 56, 14 5 is 70, 14 6 is 84, 14 7 is 98, 14 8 is 112, 14 9 is 126, 14 10 is 140. Okay, good. I remember it. 14 7 is 98. Okay, very good. 14 9 is 126. Wonderful. I remember it. So, and when you do it, catch hold of somebody in family, say, okay, ask me tables. I know table till 12, I know table till 14. Ask me questions. And do it like a fun activity. Do it like a playful thing. So that way, you will stay in touch with tables without putting a lot of effort. It will be more like a fun activity. And then, it will help you do a lot of calculation. Okay? So, I have a syllabus for you guys, for this group, which covers 3rd to 5th grade, which I'm not starting today. What I want to start with from today is, let me see if you guys know how to do fraction addition, fraction subtraction, multiplication and division. Do you guys know it already?
I really need help with fractions and divisions.
Mhm.
Actually, I know how to do divisions, but sometimes I get a few wrong when it's like over, when it's like a bit hard for me.
Okay.
And I can really do addition ones.
Okay. How about you, Akshara? Do you know fraction, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division?
No.
No? Okay. So let's...
I haven't learned yet.
I'm sorry, Beta?
I haven't learned yet.
You haven't learned it yet. Okay, not a problem. That's why I'm here. Okay, so let's start with fraction, addition, subtraction first. Then we'll go to fraction, multiplication, and division. Is that okay? Is that okay, I said? Fraction, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division?
Yeah, I can learn.
Okay. Unfortunately, you guys don't have a choice. We have to learn something. Yeah?
Yeah.
Otherwise, I'll be wasting 1 hour of everybody's time. Let's not do that.
How many classmates do you have?
How many classmates you have? I have only one child here in the class. Her name is Deeksha. Do you want to say hello to Deeksha? See, here is Deeksha.
Hi. Hi.
So, she is Akshara and you are Deeksha. Okay. And since I've just started this class, so that's why we have only a few kids. Gradually we'll have some more kids joining you guys. Okay. And that is when we will have more fun. So, before I start fraction, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, let's learn one more fun activity. Do you guys do tic-tac-toe?
I think we were done that last time.
Last time when you came to the class, we did that.
I used to come on. I think I came the same day, but they used to be a different class. I think.
Okay. So, if I say, if I say 8 times 5, you both know
40.
40?
40.
Yeah, 40. Now if I say this, what will you do?
40 divided by 8.
40 divided by 8. And what if I say I will not do it? 40 divided by 8 is how much? You know?
I think I remember what we have to do.
Yeah, 5.
So, we're gonna first keep the first number down, and then we.
Okay, so let me explain that to you guys, okay? So, if you have a situation like this, when you're only dealing with multiplication and division thing, okay? If you have, see, in the normal circumstance, what you will do? You will do 8 times 5, that gives you 40, and then divide that by 8. So 40 divided by 8
Equals 5.
8 times 5 is 40, and you got 5 as the answer. But this is still math. I don't want to do math like math. I want to do math like a fun activity. And that is where I call it tic-tac-toe. I call it tic-tac-toe, meaning if I have some number here and same number here, I will say they cancel each other. What I have? 5. That was your answer as well? Yeah? Now look at this. If I say 6 times 4 times 3 times 8 times 5 divided by 8 times 3 times 6 times 9. It will be a big deal, right? You'll have to multiply 6 by 4, you get 24, then you multiply that by 3, then you multiply by 8, then you multiply by 5. And then this becomes a number, a big number, a monstrous number. And then you multiply these numbers, that becomes another number. You try dividing this bigger number with a smaller number. Correct? What I'm saying is, you don't have to do that. You can do tic-tac-toe here also, because you have all multiplication signs. If you have all multiplication signs, you can do tic-tac-toe. Meaning, same numbers above and below, you can cancel them. See, this 3 and this 3 I can cancel them. This 6 and this 8 and this 8 I can cancel them. This 6 and this 6.
And that's 6.
This 6 and this 6 I cancel them. Then I have, what do I have? 4 times 5 by 9. 4 times 5 is 20 divided by 9. Isn't this a cute problem to solve? Easy problem to deal with?
Yeah.
Imagine if we had to multiply all these numbers and then multiply these numbers and divide this number by this number, how big a task that was.
It will be 9 times 2 equals 18, and there will be a reminder.
Yeah, correct. So let's not deal with fraction today. Let's deal with some basic operations to begin with. Because if we are comfortable with these operations, then every other calculation that we'll do will become much more easier. Yeah. Do you guys, who eats chicken here? Do you eat chicken?
I don't like chicken.
You don't like chicken?
To be fair, I eat it, but it's not my favorite.
Okay. So Akshara also said she doesn't like chicken. But no problem, no allergy with chicken, right? If I talk about chicken in the class, it's okay, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's talk about chicken and egg. Okay? So here, now let's look at this situation. You said that 20 by 9, it will be, you are dividing 20 by 9. 9 to the...
2 equals 18, and you minus them.
This is your remainder,
Yeah.
and this is your answer. But do you guys know if I have a fraction, I can convert that to decimal?
Yeah.
How much that will be? Do you know how to convert that?
Yeah.
How? How much it will be?
20 and 9 hundredths.
20 and 9 hundredths. No. Let's find it out. That is where chicken and egg helps. Okay? Let's look at what chicken and egg does here. So let me tell you guys a story. Okay? You all know chicken lays egg, right? Not the baby chicken, the big ones. They lay eggs, right? So I say that decimal is a chicken that lays one egg at a time. I mean, again, it is not something that you'll hear everywhere, but I'm saying for the sake of learning it, decimal is a chicken that lays one egg at a time. Okay? Let's see what happens. I'm trying to divide 20 by 9. Okay? So 9 to the 18. 2 remainder. Will I stop here? No. I'm trying to convert this to a decimal. Okay? How will I do it? This is where my statement, decimal is a chicken that lays one egg at a time. So I'll put a decimal here. That lays one egg at a time. So it laid one egg. This egg is my 0. Now again 9 to the 18. 2 remainder. My decimal is a chicken that lays one egg at a time. It will keep on laying one egg at every step. So it again lays one more egg. 9 to the 18.
It's like when you divide by 10 with like, let's say 10 and 71, we couldn't like basically divide, so we put a decimal.
So that's what we'll do multiple problems to see what happens. Okay. So here again I'm coming to 2. My chicken keeps laying one egg at a time. Only one egg. Okay. It will never lay 2 eggs. Again 9 to the 18. 2. Chicken lays one more egg. 9 to the 18. 2. And it just goes on. So instead of wasting so much time, you can say, okay, when I divide 20 by 9, I get 2.22. You can stop after 2 decimal points maybe. Okay. Now let's look at it. Let's look at 1 by 2 is how much? 1 by 2 is how much?
2.
1 by 2 is how much? Half? Half or 0.5? 0.5? Let's figure out how that came into picture. 1 by 2, meaning I have a 1, I'm trying to divide that by, I have a 1, I'm trying to divide that by 2. Yeah? But what is a smaller number? It doesn't work.
Yeah.
So I recall chicken. Chicken starts laying one egg at a time. What do I have? 1 egg. Became 10. How many times of 2 gives me? So 2 times 5 is 10. Done. See, 1 by 2 became 0.5. When you have 0.5, you can always write a 0 in front. That's okay. 0.5. How much is 1 by 4?
1 by 4,
Quarter.
A quarter or 0.25? Don't even worry about it. You don't have to memorize it. We will use this chicken and egg theory for converting every fraction. Let's say 1 by 4 is how much? Let's figure it out. We are trying to divide 1 by 4. Correct? Yeah? So, divide 1 by 4. Can I divide? I cannot.
No, so you have to put a chicken.
I put a chicken. See now?
And now the chicken lays egg.
Exactly. How many times you will get to 10? 2?
2 times.
4 times 2 gives you 8. What is the remainder? 2. Your chicken is not tired of laying eggs. It lays one more egg. You shouldn't eat. Lays one more egg. How many times of that?
20.
4
Five.
times? 5? Done. See, 1 by 4 became 0.25. And using this chicken and egg story, we are able to convert this fraction into a decimal. Yeah? Does that sound okay to everybody?
Yeah.
Interesting or boring?
Very interesting.
Very interesting.
I've been looking at the board and not even looking at anything else.
That's good. Now, so see, before decimal thing came into picture, whenever we were dealing with division, we were saying, okay, fine, if I have to divide 10 by 7, I'll say 7 times 1 is 7, and we used to stop here. Say, okay, my answer is 1 and my remainder is 3. But with this chicken and egg story, or in our attempt to convert a fraction, 7 is dividing, what am I talking about? 10 over 7 is a fraction. Now, if we stop here, I have 1 as the answer, 3 as the remainder. But if I want to convert into decimal, no big deal. Whenever we get stuck, we recall chicken. Okay? We will recall chicken. You can see the whole board, right, Akshara?
Yeah.
Okay. Whenever I get stuck, that okay, I have a number now which is smaller than the number that I am trying to divide by, then somebody has to come to my rescue, and that is a chicken. Lays 1 egg. 7 4s are 28. 2 remainder. Again, 2 is smaller than 7, but I don't have to worry. I have a chicken. I'm not a big fan of chicken, okay? I'm just really helping you guys relate it with the story, okay? That's it. I mean, I eat chicken, but not a big fan of chicken, okay?
7 times 2 is
14. 6. Chicken keeps laying 1 egg at a time. 7 8s are 56. 4. Chicken lays 1 more egg. 7 5s are 35. If it is not getting solved after going 3-4 decimal places, you can stop somewhere and say, okay, fine. I'll take up to 2 decimal places or 3 decimal places. I'll say, okay, my answer is approximately 1.428. And you can stop here, that's okay. Yeah? Alright? So this is the chicken and egg story, which helps us convert a fraction into a decimal.
a chicken.
I'm sorry with that?
A chicken.
Yeah, a chicken and egg. You put a chicken, it keeps laying 1 egg at a time. Yep. Alright. So, what did we learn just now is how do we convert a fraction to a decimal? Yep. If I say I have a fraction 8 by 20, convert that to a decimal. Can you guys give it a shot? Let's see. Can you try converting this to a decimal? 8 by 20. Can you do it on the notebook? Get your hands dirty. It's okay.
Do we put 8 here?
No. No. You are trying to divide 8 by 20. See, read this. Okay. Divide 8 by 20. So what you have written is you are trying to divide 20 by 8. It's the other way around. Divide 8 is divided by 20. That's what you have to do. Yeah. You're going fine. Just don't even look at me, okay? I'm not going to give you any tension. Done?
I'm thinking.
Okay. What did you miss? No. Don't worry about it. No. What did you miss here? So far you have done it perfectly fine.
The number.
Yeah.
So,
How many times have 20 got you 80?
2 times.
Mm-mm.
4 times.
Mm-hmm. So you have to write that number. If you write that, then only your calculation is complete, isn't it? Yeah? See, that's it. You converted 8 by 20 and that became this. Yeah? This was your first conversion from a fraction to a decimal. Okay? And you did it yourself. I did not do it. Okay? I just reminded you. Let's see once Akshara is ready. What's happening, Akshara?
I'm the quantum top 4 is 80.
Why is the decimal after 4?
Does it have to be before 4?
No. So look at it. So whatever we do in math, okay, it is always like a story, okay. I'm not a good storyteller, but still I'm telling you guys a story. I'm trying to divide 8 by 20, okay, 8 divided by 20. This is how I will do it step by step. So first thing is divide 8 by 20, okay. And another thing that you guys might want to try is waste a lot of paper, okay. Don't try saving paper. Waste a lot of paper when you're trying to do math. Meaning, keep enough gap between your numbers. That way it will be easy to read, okay. Now I'm trying to divide 8 by 20. Can I divide? I cannot. I need some help, and that help comes from chicken. So put a chicken.
It lays 1 egg.
Lays 1 egg.
And then
20 times 4.
4 times. So see, first came a chicken, then now 20 times 4 is 80. So you will not write 4 before this, otherwise it will go wrong. Yeah? Make sense? So now you got everything sorted out. There's nothing, no remainder. You don't have to bother the chicken to give more eggs. You're done. The chicken is taking off. Calling it a day. Yeah? So the chicken is okay. Chicken's job is done. So now when you got everything sorted out, just 0.4 doesn't make much sense. You can put a 0. It looks like a complete number, 0.4. That's it.
24 times will equal 80.
Yeah, 20 times 4. See, chicken's help is only needed to make your number bigger so that you can divide. Now, once the chicken has given you 1 egg, then you know, okay, 20, how many times of 20 is 80? 20 times 4 is 80. Like 2 times 4 is 8, 20 times 4 is 80. Yeah? Up to this much, okay? Does it look okay so far? Okay. So, I have a very bad habit of bothering kids. No, I don't bother kids. I make them practice, because when you practice, then it becomes rock solid. Now, divide 1 by 8 and tell me how much it is. Same thing, same approach, step by step, okay? Don't rush and make sure that you're wasting a lot of paper. Keep enough gap between your numbers, okay? What happened, Akshara?
I was thinking.
Thinking? Okay. Now go ahead. Take your time. Do you see mosquitoes around you? No?
There was one, but it's gone, I think.
Okay. Yeah. You got it? No. You'll rest for it a little bit. And it'll be fine. It's just about practice. So you finish Diksha, then I'll explain it. And Akshara, again, just go step by step, okay? Step by step. First step is divide 1 by 8. I have put 1 here and then try to divide by 8. And then we start thinking, what do I do?
Oh, so you do it the other way?
No. See, I don't do other way. It's simple. I'm reading this like English. 1 is divided by 8. That's how you read it, right? 1 is divided by 8. If I say 5 by 6, what I'm talking about? Divide 5 by 6. Divide 5 by 6. Whatever we have in the numerator, that is inside this bracket. Whatever I have in the denominator is outside the bracket. Yeah? Yeah. What's happening? Thinking? Okay.
I can't get what. I feel like this is gonna be a reminder to keep it up here, but I don't know what number to keep.
No, see. Okay, let me do it. Let's say we don't have to worry about this. If I have to divide 1, I cannot divide for sure. That's when chicken comes to help us. I put a chicken. Chicken lays 1 egg. Now I'm recalling the table of 8. 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16. Can I go to 8 2 is 16? No, right? I can go up to 8 1 is 8.
Is it 0 and 125?
Yes, perfectly fine. Yeah. Okay. So let me do it on the board. So that way you guys can see. And again, trust me, when you're doing math, keep everything out of your mind. Don't even worry about anything. It's a very playful exercise that we are doing right now, okay? We are just playing with numbers. See, when I was your age, I don't think I knew table beyond 6 or 7, okay? You guys know, Akshara knows table till 12. Within few months, he will know table till 18, 19, whatever, right?
I learned the tables when I was 2nd grade.
See how smart you guys are, and I was not that smart for sure. So you guys know tables already. What I was trying to say. So yeah. So what I was saying was that whatever we'll do here, that we'll do as a more playful exercise, because you guys know tables already. We're just playing with numbers. Okay. We are trying to see, can I divide 1 by 8? In the normal world, we cannot. If we didn't know about decimals, this was not possible at all. Now, since we know about decimals, we can try doing it. So I have 1 is to be divided by 8. 1 is to be divided by 8. First of all, we have to write it neat and clean. Okay.
You put a chicken, and the chicken lays an egg next to 1.
Right.
Anytime 1 equals 8, and the reminder would be 2.
Correct. I'll just go step by step, okay? So now see, look at how calmly I'm doing it, okay? I'm not in a hurry. So I have to divide 1 by 8. I cannot divide 1 by 8. I need
So you
to
put a chicken.
chicken. Chicken gives me 1 egg. Write it neat and clean, okay? Space, use space. Keep some distance between the numbers also. Now I have 10. 10 is bigger than 8, so I can divide. How many times of 8? 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16. So only 1. 8 1 is 8 is what I can do. What is my remainder? 2.
2.
Again, 2 is smaller than 8. Do I have to worry? No, I don't. I have a chicken. That gives me 1 more egg. 8 2 is 16. But remember, chicken will give only 1 egg at a time, okay? It will not give you 2 eggs. Okay, it's small, 1 more egg. No, it doesn't work that way, okay? Only 1 egg at a time. So now, 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16. I can do 8 to the 16. What is my remainder? 4. Again, a small number than this, but I don't have to worry. I have the chicken.
And then 8 times 5 equals 40 and no reminder.
Yep, done. Yeah. So now my answer is 0.125. 0.125. Done. Is this looking like math or is it looking like a game?
It's looking like a game.
It's looking like a game. I will keep trying my best to make sure that math looks like a game. Okay? Because if it looks like game, you will enjoy doing it. If it looks like a stressful subject, you will get tired of me and the subject both. Yeah? Can we do one more problem before I teach you one more game? Okay. Now let's do 3 divided by 9. Convert this to a decimal.
You put 3 here and 9 here.
Don't ask me that. You tell me how would you do it. No, I'm making you think, but okay, that's my goal. Again, whenever you have doubt, read it first. 3 divided by 9. 3 is getting divided by 9. Now you check. Did you put it right?
Yeah.
Yeah? See? You guys are smarter than me for sure. I'll give you guys a minute. I'll just fill my water bottle and come back. Okay, what's happening? Dad?
It's keep laying more eggs.
What, Beta? What's happening?
It's laying more eggs.
It keeps on laying eggs and the chicken is not getting tired. How many eggs it has laid so far?
4.
4. And okay, it might end up laying hundreds of eggs. This is a very hard working chicken.
Laying this much.
Oh, okay. See, it'll go on, Beta. It will not stop. Okay. Okay.
Is it correct though?
It is. So, how did you start? You started it right. You started with, you're trying to divide 3 by 9. And 3 you cannot divide. So, you call chicken. Chicken, as soon as you call chicken, meaning you put a decimal, it laid 1 egg. Now, how many types of 9 will give you 30? You can go up to 9 1 9, 9 2 18.
9 4
No, 9 4 36.
Oh, yeah.
That's why I was okay. So let me.
Can I stop right now?
I'm sorry. Yes, you can stop it.
9
If
3 7.
you have wasted 1 page, that is good enough. Okay. So basically these are recursive thing, okay? It will keep on happening again and again. There are some numbers when you try dividing, it doesn't stop. You don't get a perfect answer, so you stop after 2 3 decimal points. Yeah. 9 3 ja 27, you'll write 37. 27. 9 3 ja 27, right? Yeah. What is the remainder?
Remainder is 2.
Yes, Akshara.
Can I go to the restroom?
Yes, please. So as soon as you got the number, after putting a 0, you got 30. How many times of 9 will give you 30? You can go up to 27 again, right? So again you'll put a 3 here so that you don't forget it. And 27. What is the remainder? Look at what is the remainder. Again a 3.
Yeah.
See, it will keep going on and on and on and on and on and on. Yeah? So every time you have a 3, you'll say 27, 3 remainder. So it keeps going on, okay? So, yeah? So you can say, okay, if you have 3, 4 digits, you can stop, okay, fine. 0.3333 is okay. You don't have to put 30 times, okay? Or maybe 40 times, you never know. Okay?
Are you my second teacher?
I'm sorry, beta?
Because last month class I got a teacher named Yukti.
What was the name of the teacher?
Yukti.
Yukti. It was a lady.
Yeah.
She would have had a lot of long hair. See how much hair I have. Very little.
How old are you?
No, I'm just kidding. Okay. Yeah. So this we just learned how to convert a fraction to a decimal. Yeah. So let me become a student for 1 minute. If somebody says divide 5 by 8, convert it to a decimal. How will I do? Okay, I'm trying to divide 5 by 8. So 5 here and 8 outside. Now 5 is smaller than 8. I cannot do anything. So I call chicken. Chicken gives me a 0 here. 8 6 are 48. What is my remainder? 2.
8, 6.
Yeah, 8 6 are 48. Then my remainder is 2. Decimal gives me another. So my chicken lays one more egg. 8 times 2 is 16. What is my remainder? 4. Chicken lays one more egg. 8 times 5 is 40. Yep.
Yeah, I already know it.
Yeah? You got the same thing?
Yeah.
And Deeksha, you are clear with that? Same thing? Wonderful. Same thing?
I just wrote it down.
No, that's just okay. But you understood this, right? I mean, I was just trying to show you guys that if I'm doing it, there are certain thumb rules that you have to follow. Make sure that you keep enough gap between the numbers so that you don't get confused. If I write this like this, right? If I write this like 48, I would not know whom to subtract which one. So keep some gap so that it's easy. And this is a step. Now we learn how to convert a fraction to a decimal. How about
Are you my
convert?
dad's friend?
I'm sorry, beta?
Are you my dad's friend?
Kind of. We are becoming friends. We have just started becoming friends. Okay? Ask daddy if he's okay calling me his friend.
Is that your granddaughter?
I'm sorry, beta?
Is that your granddaughter is learning?
Is that my granddaughter? No, I don't have granddaughter yet. I'm a little too young for having a granddaughter.
Is that your granddaughter or is it your classmate?
What is that, beta?
Is she a granddaughter or your classmate?
Who?
The girl sitting next to you?
See, everybody is like my child. So I call everybody my child. Okay, I have 2 daughters. My elder daughter is in college. She just joined college this year. And my younger one is in middle school. She's in 7th grade. Okay, so I don't have granddaughter yet. But every child who comes to the class, I call them my child. Okay, you guys are going to be like my kid. Okay. Alright. So we just saw how to convert a fraction to a decimal. if I have a decimal, if I want to convert this to a fraction, what will happen? Yep.
I can like.
Tell me whatever comes to your mind, right? It's okay.
Probably could like do I would like
It's okay. It's okay. No, so see,
The
yeah.
one by, also, is it 1 divided by 2 or?
Let's figure it out. So we saw how to convert a fraction to a decimal. No problem with that. Converting a decimal to a fraction is even easier. Okay? Achra here. Okay? So converting a fraction to a decimal to a fraction is even easier. I will not do any math. Even if I'm a math teacher, I'm doing it without doing math. Okay, let's see. I have to convert this to a fraction, meaning it should look like a fraction. It is not looking like a fraction yet. What I will do is, whatever number I have, I will write everything. Oopsie daisy, I forgot about decimal. Yeah? I'm trying to convert this to a decimal, fraction. What did I do? I just wrote the numbers. And
Did you just took the chicken away?
yeah, so here there is no chicken. We will use a different concept, okay? So yeah, I mean if you call it chicken, I took the chicken away. Then I realized, oh, I forgot about the chicken. Okay, I have to convert to a fraction, okay? So how many decimal points I have? Only one, right? Only one decimal? I don't have this, right? If I had a situation like this, then there were 3 decimals, but here I have only 1 decimal, right?
In every number.
Yeah, so I have 1 decimal, so I'll put a 1. Okay? And then, after the decimal, I will count how many numbers I have, how many digits I have. How many digits I have? Only 1? Yeah? So, I will put a 0. Done. I had this decimal, I converted that to a fraction now.
So can we try now?
Yes. So let me show you guys one more problem so that now this is one problem. Okay. Let's say if I want to convert 3.675 to a fraction, what will I do? First I will write all the numbers. 3.
But you won't
6.
keep the decimal.
Yeah, I will forget. I'll forget about the decimal on purpose. I forgot about the decimal. Now, how many decimals I have? Only 1. Always, right? So I'll put a 1 here. And then I will count how many numbers I have. 1, 2, and 3. After the decimal on the right, because right is always right, I will count the numbers on the right, okay? Not this side, okay? How many digits I have? 1, 2, 3. 3 digits meaning 3 zeros. Done.
I get it.
Got it? Was it fun?
So like how many numbers does you like do? So let's say
Yeah.
if there's 4 numbers,
Tell me.
put 4 zeros.
Just one question.
Mhm.
Like, I still don't get how to convert the 3 into a number like to a 1.
What is that, better? One more time.
Like, I can't, I still don't, I'm still very confused with these 2 numbers, like, with this number, but like,
So I had, see, in the original number, I had 3.675. So I'm trying to convert this to a fraction. So what I did, okay, let me write the numbers first. I wrote all the numbers, okay? And then for the decimal, the rule that we have to follow is, I have only 1 decimal, right? So I'll first write number 1, just number 1, okay? And then I will count, after the decimal, how many digits I have? 1, 2, and 3 digits. 3 digits meaning 3 zeros. Like in this case, I had 1 digit, so I put 1 0 here. Here I have 3 digits after the decimal, so I put 3 zeros. That's it. Okay? So, let me give you guys two problems, two questions. Questions are questions, not problems. Problems are different. If I say 2.3, 4.75 and 1.6724, convert these three numbers into fractions. Let's see what happens. Same rule, no change, okay? Because the concept will not change. Problems can change. Or questions can
Isn't
change.
it like for number 1? Oh no.
Where is that?
I got the answer for number 1.
Okay. Yeah? Yeah?
Number 1 was a bit easier.
Yep. It is supposed to be easy. Yep, you both are on target. Wonderful. You both are on target. Now go to Walmart. Bad joke.
Words.
I'll give you guys 1 minute. I think the kids from class are running here. So you guys finish the other two problems and
Garage.
okay, you guys come in, I'll get you guys house arrested actually.
Hello there.
So the
Nice meeting you.
if you want to enjoy the class with the kids, you can, you are more than welcome.
It's okay, we'll leave. So, Diksha, do you want to come? Or you
No, the class is not over yet.
Oh, okay.
You guys can sit down inside. I'll close the garage door.
I did everything.
Done? Okay. So let's see. Diksha 4.75 became 475 by 100. 1.6724 became what? And 1. Okay. No, so Akshara, show me it one more time. Sit down, Akshara, sit down.
So it's for 2 and 3.
Put that bandage on, okay? Because I have the mosquito killers here, but still there are some mosquitoes who are coming inside. So it will help you.
So 2 and 0.3 will convert. 0.3 will convert to 23 out of.
This one I saw. Just show me this one.
It'll be 16, 17.
Completely. Just 1 or 2 is fine.
124 out of 10,000.
Wonderful. Yeah. So Diksha, you complete it. Then I will let you guys go. Okay. So wonderful. So what did we learn today? We learned how to convert a fraction to a decimal or decimal to a fraction. Yeah. And how did we do it? Did we learn math? No.
We did again.
We did like a game. Because when it comes to converting fraction to decimal, we use chicken and egg story.
Yeah.
And when it comes to converting a decimal to a fraction, we did that more like a fun exercise. That we forgot about the decimal first, then we put a 1 for the decimal, and then we just counted how many digits I have after the decimal.
Every single day I learn a new thing from math class.
Yep, that's how it has to be. Yep. All right.